guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be cutting some of my fidgets. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell. Also, comment down below if you have a favorite squishy or fidget. Let's get started. So first I have this one, has like these little balls in it. Let's cut it. Hopefully these balls don't go all over the place. I've seen one of my favorite YouTubers do this to cut squishies and make like a slime. Yeah, they're kind of wet. Here's what the balls were in this thingy. I've seen one of my favorite YouTubers, a girl, she's one of my favorite YouTubers, cut squishies and make like an Elsa slime, and I wanted to do it, so yeah. Can we even cut this? It's like net. Let's do a different squishy. We're gonna do this fidget. He's like a stretchy man. He's got a little face. Let's cut his head off, if we even can.
Yeesh.
Should there be anything in there? Guess we're making a bodysuit.
Ew.
Yeah, wait, there's nothing in here. Guys, look, it's his leg. This is our soup so far. Play in it. Look. Next, we're gonna do this cat puppet. It's so cute. So let's cut it. Let's see, is there anything in poppets?
Negative.
Oh my goodness. Ah.
I got you.
Went all the way to my dad, guys. I love being a YouTuber. If you guys haven't seen my first YouTube short, it's my first ever YouTube short, and I did a bottle flip, and I landed it. So, ew, it's like sand. Ew. What? What is this? Oh, from my pocket. Ew, look at this. Ew. I mean, it's not nasty. Can't I even... I know I can get this open somehow. Nope. That was the garbage.
Just try to squeeze it out of there.
Ew. Ew.
Let me feel.
Ew.
Oh, I know what this stuff is. This used to be like a toy. I can't think of what it's like. Jelly styrofoam almost. I can't remember what it's called.
Feel it. Ew.
This stuff's actually a lot of fun.
Wasn't really fun in the bag.
No.
Cut it into little pieces.
Careful.
Guys, if you're only 3, don't even touch scissors. Especially these ones. I couldn't find my pink ones. If you haven't watched my Lanky Box video, cutting my Rocky.
Save that one for last.
Okay. Best for last. It's filled with sand. Haven't seen my
Nothing in there?
It's just the fact that I don't have squishies, like, that have stuff in here, in them, besides this one and, like, the sand.
Well, don't cut those other ones then, if they don't have anything in them. Why don't you just cut open that big pink one then? Or see what's in this green net thing.
I'm gonna try cut. Ew, it sounded like a fart.
No, you just made 2 little ones.
Yay, now my dad can play. Almost cut my thumb off.
I'll help you cut those after, okay?
Okay.
Why don't you cut that? No, don't cut that one either.
Why?
Cut this green net one and then we'll cut the
couldn't
pink
really
one.
cut this. I seen on YouTube if you cut this, one of these, there should be a ruler inside.
Oh yeah, we did see that, didn't we?
I can't reach that one, so I guess I'll just use this one.
Try it.
Let's see if YouTube was right. YouTube was telling the truth. Because somebody did actually cut it, and there was a ruler inside.
You need help? Peel it back.
There's a ruler! There's a ruler!
Let's see.
There literally is. Literally.
Oh, look at that.
YouTube was telling the truth! Guys.
Part of a tape measure. Show 'em.
YouTube wasn't lying. YouTube wasn't lying.
It's a tape measure.
See if we can
Don't
cut
cut
this.
that. Don't, because it's metal. Don't cut that. Just throw it in there.
Can I cut this?
Sure.
Dang, you trashes. I should have 17 subscribers because Mamie, she subscribed
Oh yeah?
today. She didn't know I had a YouTube channel. Guys, look at my dad.
Check out those dogs.
Ew. You should see the bottom of their feet.
Oh, let's not talk about that.
Crusty. They're crusty. They're crusty. They're crusty. They're crusty.
Alright, let's see what's in that finale.
We still got to cut this chicken, this, and this, and this. Let's see what's in the chicken, if there's even anything in here. It's like a slingshotter. Ready, guys? I'm gonna slingshot. Oh, well, that didn't work. I guess we won't do it. It's rubber. Oh, there we go. Ew, it's like clear. It's like clear. Look at that. I guess we're making body soup because we already have a human body in there, and now I have a chicken body.
It's creepy. Okay, that's good enough, Doodle.
See if we can cut this snake noodle.
Those rubber things are tough to cut, huh?
I know, rubber.
Yeah.
I ain't cutting you. Meanie. Let's see if we can cut this. I don't know if this is even a fidget.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I'm not cutting that. We're so close.
you know, you hold one side and I'll hold one. There you go. Now cut.
It's because it's like net material. Can we just throw that away? There you go.
I will switch. You can reveal what's inside there. What is it?
It's like a clear ball. Oh, it's a marble. That's so cool. It's like a marble.
Is it hard or squishy? Oh yeah, it is a marble.
Hard. It's a marble. This is our soup so far. Okay, you know what they say, best for last. If you can't hear it, it's like sand. I'm gonna cut the horn.
Oh boy. That is sand, huh?
More sand in there, but I can't.
Yeah, turn them inside out.
Oh yeah.
Alright, just toss them in. Or her in. It's like stuck on there, huh? Okay, all done.
Thanks for watching my video.